It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,